guess, a secret you wanted to share about, or the secret about giving or not giving kind of the Chinese do their own thing. So sometimes the Chinese can like say, hey, I'll do that and I'll take care of that. And you know what I mean? Like, what do you think about it? Is it okay to trust them? Like,
I think that you can you can ask them, what do you think about this design? What can you offer us, for example, which material or something like this? But it's better not to do such a thing, because Chinese supplier will offer you something they already know, something they do every day, something which is cheaper for them, for example, or something they will get a bigger profit, for example. So it's better just to understand and to know your product, and not to entrust Chinese to do something or change the design or change the box or something, because they will do better for them. It can be a good thing for you, but still.
I understand. So kind of you sort of can consult with them, but not necessarily what they will recommend you is going to be the best for you. Or maybe yes, who knows? But sounds like, yeah, we should like at least check it very well, whatever they're offering and all that. And yeah, or maybe double check it again if people are working with a company that helps them. Well, I guess then you will do
Trust
that
me.
in a way. Yeah. But
Trust me, I have a really long experience working with Chinese, and we were trying to ask them about something and help us to change the design or engineer something, and it was a horrible idea.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I myself had some funny experiences. For example, I mean, it's not necessarily connected to asking, or maybe so many years, so many things. But I remember one time, not necessarily connected to what we talked, but one time I remember we ordered some like, it was like 2,200 boxes, and basically there was a golden design to that box. And then the sample was okay, everything was fine, and then the mass production started. And even though I guess I was following up, you know, sometimes like, hey, can you share the product, like the how's it going, you know, that eventually what happened is we got black and white boxes. Okay, so basically the box was, instead of being golden, it was black and white, and I wasn't sure. First I look at that, I'm like, is this my eyes? Like, is this a computer? And I'm like, kind of, and no, it's like black and white. And I tell the, the Chinese person, like, hey, so basically thank you for creating the products. Like, it seems like it's black and white or something like that. So, and I think at the first they were like, no, it's actually golden. I'm like, yeah, I understand it's golden. It does have some golden to it, but like, it seems like it's black and white. And we agreed on golden. And they replaced them all, so it was okay. But yeah, at first though, they said it was still golden though, like when it, which I can understand. Maybe they tried like, to kind of. Yeah.
Do you remember this joke? It was not a joke, but it was a trick on Instagram when they were asking us if the dress is black or it's golden.
I
Do you
remember
remember
something like
this
that.
one?
Yeah, something like
Yeah,
that.
so it's like this.
Yeah.
No, this box is golden. You just see it in a black and white.
Yeah, that's what yeah, that was a bit surprised. Like, is it like, maybe it's me, maybe something's wrong with my eyes or something. But yeah, actually it was black and white. But luckily, because we agreed and we had good communication, they were like, yeah, we'll change it. They didn't charge us, but yeah, it was pretty interesting. So